Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Variables are essential components in any programming language, serving as containers to store and manipulate data. In Python, a dynamically typed language, variables are created by assigning a value to a name. This tutorial will explore the syntax of Python variables, covering naming conventions, data types, and examples to help you understand their usage. Python is case-sensitive, meaning variables with different letter cases are considered distinct. Python supports various data types, and the type of a variable is determined dynamically based on the assigned value. Here are some common data types. Variables can be assigned values using the equals operator. Reassigning a variable with a new value is straightforward. Understanding Python variable syntax is crucial for effective programming. This tutorial covered variable naming rules, case sensitivity, data types, and examples to help you become proficient in working with variables in Python. Practice and experimentation are key to mastering these concepts, so don't hesitate to create your examples and explore the versatility of Python variables. ChatGPT